In this video, I will show you some of the online free video editing software. These are completely free and you can use them within your browser. No need to download, which will save your hard disk space. You can easily access your editing work from different devices online. So without wasting time, let's get started. I have selected few editing tools for this video. First one is famous CapCut. We can use CapCut in our browser without downloading. This is CapCut Dashboard. Simply click on Video and start creating your video. I have uploaded the video on it. It provides a lot of free features to use, but some of them are now paid. We can simply edit, cut, transform, and apply many transitions and effects and edit our video. After editing, we can export our video without any error if we don't use paid features. Second editing software is Canva. Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool. Use it to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. We can also create simple videos here. There are a lot of templates, text, and other features available. You can explore it. Third is Microsoft Clipchamp. Clipchamp allows you to create as many videos as you want in high definition, 1080p, for free, so you can focus on what matters most, your content. This is Microsoft's official video editor. It is better than many online video editing software. Most importantly, it is free. You can use and explore more. Last but not least is Clidio Video Editor. Clidio, the platform that makes it super easy to edit all your video files, images, and GIFs. And yes, free. Targeting casual users and content creators, Clidio aims to make video editing accessible without requiring any software downloads or advanced editing skills. Well, these are some of the online free video editing tools that are really free to use. Try all. Use the tool which best suits you. Let me know in the comments section which of these you use. I hope this video will be helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.